Hannah from KAIAO. Today we are going to introduce the transparent part 3D printing or CNC machining. Which one should you choose? For the 3D printing transparent part, it is sanded and clear coated in 1 to 2 hours and ready to ship the same day. For the CNC Acrylic part, it is cut from the acrylic sheet, requiring a full day of manual polishing. For the 3D printing, it is low cost, ideal for design validation, display models, or short-term testing, but note that it may get yellow or deformed slightly over time. But for the CNC machining, it is yellowing resistant and durable, perfect for end-use products. But it is higher cost, but unmatched stability for long-term applications. Do you need performance or cost efficiency? Your application designs the best process. Got questions about rapid prototyping? Drop a comment now. And you could click the like and follow for more manufacturing insights.